Hello everyone and welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today I'm making a traditional tiramisu. So I'm going to start with 2 egg yolks. I'll need a little help here to scoop it all out because we do not like wasting things. Now add 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. After that, mascarpone. And this is going to be for 2 people. Now we're going to beat this until it all comes together and the texture will be creamy. Alright, now we have this done. I'm going to set this aside. And I got my espresso here. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brandy. In the original recipe, you're supposed to add brandy. That is ready, and I have my ladyfingers. And I'm gonna make these into individual cups, so I've got one in my cup here. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna break it because the bottom is like this, so only one fits in there. Now we're gonna dip our ladyfinger in here very quickly because it sucks it up very quick, and put it on the bottom and repeat with your second glass. And here comes the fun part. We got our cream here. And I'm just gonna top this off with it. I want to get all the cream inside. Now your second one. Dip, twist, and break this. Okay, so 2 fits and then 1 gonna go here. So last one can go here. And this one is gonna go in the middle here, and it will make a perfect match. Now back to our mascarpone. I'm gonna put more on here. Slide it to the sides and some on the other side. And first I want to get the sides so when I put the top in, it won't slide off. Now just simply flatten it all out. I just smelt it and it smells really, really nice. I can smell the brandy in it, and the espresso works together perfect. There. So you see our layers. I'm gonna add more. So I just measured it out and the whole thing fits in here. So dip. I'm gonna make some more. Got more coffee here. So this one's not going to fit. And we'll just break it off. Here. That. And now top it off with our mascarpone. I like to work in a round motion, so I push it to the side and I twist the glass, but I'm not moving my hand very much, just a little bit, so I get an even layer. Perfect. And the same here, just push it to the side a bit and twist. Push it and twist. I got my little friend here and some cocoa powder, tiny bit on it, and work my way through it. Now I got a small bit of chocolate and I'm gonna shave it just on top. Just for extra decoration. And now our tiramisu is finished. Let's serve. Perfect. And as you can see, it is perfectly layered and it looks delicious and tastes better than it looks. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more. I'll see you guys later.